Kenya Feed Manufacturers nikioritie thirikari kuhingura mitaratra ya naihenya ya kurehe mbembe cia rangi wa yero kuma mabururi ma nanja. Makiariria kauntini ya Embu nimaugite Thogora Wa Mbembe niwambatirite na gikiro kia iguru kuona ikonia ria kiro 90 kwa ihinda-ini riri rirauma ngiri 6 na kwa ihinda ria mwaka umwe kuria umaga shillingi ngiri 3,500. Mwandiki witu ena ici makiria. Magana matano.
At the moment we are talking of about 6,000 shillings per 90 kg. Comparing it with about 1 year ago, we were getting maize at around 3,500. And we are talking of a difference of about 2,500. And that has to be paid by the farmer. Yeah? And therefore, ultimately we find that the price of the feed goes up.
Niongereire na kuga magetha ma mbembe ni mathiete thi na gicunje kia 40% nginya gicunje kia 60% undu uria utumite ahuri biashara a ithei kuhinga.
In terms of production, it has gone down by about 40%. And at times it has gone to about 50%. Others, they have closed the shop, because you cannot produce animal feeds without using energy source, and our main energy source comes from the grains, and therefore if at all we cut on grain production, it means we are not in production. This one ultimately affects, in case we reduce production to about 40-50% in terms of manpower, we have to cut it down, and therefore there is loss of employment, loss in respect to production and many other small mirrors or mirrors.
Kenya produces about 42 million bags of 90 kgs of maize, but the whole industry on human food and the animal feed requires close to around 60 or 65 million bags.
Ihoya riao ni kuri thirikari kwambika mutaratara wa kuhanda mbembe na guteithiriria arimi bururi-ini niguo kwambatiria namba ya magetha. Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, riakwa ni Waithiriro wa Njoroge.